In this lesson, we will learn how we can create a workout plan using ChatGPT. We can also create a training program, and we can be more specific by mentioning the age of someone who wants a workout plan or a training program. With that, we can also ask ChatGPT that you can recommend exercises for someone who just had a surgery, let's say hip replacement surgery or a knee replacement surgery. So we can mention everything in the form of a prompt. Let's see. So here is our chat GPT. Let me click on new chat. Now guys, here what we can do, I'll write create a workout plan for a 25-year-old male who wants to lose weight but give exercises that can be performed at home without gym equipments. Okay, the workout routine is visible now without any gym equipment. Also some tips are visible. Now let us develop a training program that focuses on low impact exercises, because the program we are creating for is a man aged 60 who just had a surgery. So this is the prompt: develop a training program for a man aged 60 that focuses on low impact exercises. The man recovered from a hip replacement surgery. Let's see. So all these exercises are visible. Frequency is also visible. And it's also visible you need to consult a healthcare professional. Obviously, please consult a healthcare professional before following these steps. Also, if you want, you can copy this from here, regenerate these entire steps. You want a different exercise or some other recommendations, click here. And if you did not like this, you can mention bad response to ChatGPT. Let me rename it. Generate a workout plan. We saw how we can use ChatGPT to create a workout plan as well as a training program specific for someone. Let's say we also mentioned the age or any issue or any surgery, so that the results are properly generated by the AI model. Thank you for watching the video.